In this video, I will show you how to change font in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's first preview our store so we will see what we're working with. So this is my store right here, and this is actually what it looks like. So you can see in here the font that's actually using, and you can see also in here. If you want to change the font, what you can do is you can click on this customize option that you can see right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open the block editor of your actual WordPress. So here's the block editor right here. You can see in here the option for fonts. So click on that, and in here you can see this default theme font. So for example, let's change the header font right here by clicking on this drop down option, and you can choose a font that you want. For example, for this one, for the heading, let's choose this Arial fat base. And then as you can see, it has been changed. So if you're not satisfied with that, you can also change it into any kind of font you want, just like this. Now you can also change your base font right here. You can change it to however you want. For example, let's choose Oswald. And as you can see, it has changed our actual menu right here and the font that we have displayed for this site. So the header also constitutes for the font of our actual product. So you can see it right here. And you can also choose this normal size. It can be huge. It can be large or anything that you want it to be. So for example, for this, let's just choose normal size. And then after you've done that, click on the save changes, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.